Hello and welcome to Starr Knows Credit. On this channel, we talk personal and business credit. My name is Starr Carter, and I appreciate you being with me today. So, guys, we're going to go ahead and get into this video because this credit union right here has so much to offer. I don't want this video to be too long because they have a lot. This is a full service credit union. So, if you have not been able to get into Navy Fed, this credit union right here may be the fit for you. Just like I brought y'all PenFed, I'm finna bring y'all some more gems. So let's pull it up on the screen. So we have Apple Federal Credit Union. This credit union is located in Virginia. So if you are in the area of Virginia, you can join. But guess what? You do not have to be in Virginia to join this credit union. You can join this credit union in another way. So let's go ahead and look at those ways right now really quick, because they got 4 ways to qualify for membership right here. They was an educator credit union, but now they are and expanding throughout North Virginia. Members no longer have to be affiliated with a school system, so that is great. All right, so here are some of their locations if any of these are close to you. All right, some of the schools right here. All right, and then let's look at the family, household, and associations. This is the part that you can get in, guys. You want to donate to their foundation. Excuse me. Friends of the, Friends of the W&OD Trail or the Northern Virginia Athletic Directors, Administrators, and Coaches Association. From my research, it's like $20 to get into these foundations. And once you do that, you can join no matter where you are in these United States, okay? Then they also have a list of businesses and organizations that you all can check. I won't click on that because it is a very good list, but you all can check that out in your time. So like I said, I'm trying to keep this video short because they have a lot to offer. Look at this. This is a full service credit union. They also have commercial banking, which is your business banking, and investments and insurance. So this is a full service one, guys. All right, so they do have loans. So let's look at their personal loans real quick. Come on. Personal loans, you can borrow up to $50,000. All right, returns up to 60 months, as low as 9.99%. You can also get pre-qualified right there without an impact to your credit score. So that is awesome, guys. That is awesome. All right, so now let's look at, they do have a, I think I saw it's a secured loan. Maybe a savings secured. Okay, here we go. So this is like your pledge loan. So securing loan lower rates. Savings continues to earn dividends, build credit while limiting your exposure. 3% plus the dividend rate. So usually that is going to be what your savings dividend rate is. And currently I think it was at 0.1%. So that would be a 3.10%. Because this is your minimum to open up the account, $5. So if you have to join through their foundation, then it would be $25. If that $20 is the minimum that you can get in with their with their foundation. I'm getting all tongue-tied today, guys. All right, so they do have a student savings. The high dividend savings account is especially designed for members age 23 and younger. So you can go ahead and get your kids started with an account that can earn dividends on balances up to $1,500 at 3%. No monthly fee, no minimum account balance. And as a joint owner, parents have complete access to the account. So that's awesome. Go ahead and get your babies set up. All right. One other thing that I did see when I was studying this credit union, let's go to the credit cards real quick, because as you see, they have a bunch of different savings accounts as well as holiday clubs and vacation clubs. All right. So let's go ahead and get to their credit cards. So they do have a range of credit cards with no annual fee, no balance transfer fee, rates below 18%, tap and go, Visa shopping, and digital card management for your online banking. So this is their higher tier card right here. This one right here can give you a credit line up to $50,000. 3 times points on gas, 2 times points on groceries, 1 points on everything else. All right, and you can do the pre-qualify for no score impact. That is awesome as well. The more rewards card, same reward points, but this one goes up to 5,000. So this is their lower tier card, 14.49%. Let's look at the platinum. All right, platinum, low variable rate, credit lines up to 35. So this is the middle of the way card. So you can do the pre-qualifier on that as well. Educator, this is for the teachers. This one goes up to 35,000 as well. Low entry rates, no payments during the summer months. That's awesome. 12.99% on that one. Okay, let's see about the student. All right, for members ages 18 to 25, credit lines up to 1,500. Fixed rate 9.9, low rate. That is awesome. I think that's the lowest across the board, right? Also, like I was saying, if you go ahead and get your babies into the savings accounts, then that is a way to go ahead and get them started before they turn 18. Teach them really good, smart habits with their money now. They never have to worry about it later. All right, here we go. Secured credit cards right here. This is your credit builder card. Secured credit card up to 5,000. Help establish or to rebuild credit. Deposit 250 to 5,000 savings account, and that amount becomes your credit line. 18%, which that is low compared to some of the other ones like Credit One Bank and some of those other god awful credit cards that's out there. So if you're going to do a secured card, I recommend you doing it with a credit union. Okay. Also a pre-qualify with no score impact. Now I do not see where it says about this one graduating, but I'm pretty sure they will have that in the disclosures. Or if you talk to somebody, you can ask somebody, how does that card graduate? Because right now I do not see any information about it directly here on the website. All right, so let's look at the commercial. Let's look at some business stuff for the business owners out there. Okay, so they do have term loans. They do have equipment financing, terms up to 10 years or useful life, competitive interest rates, low fees. All right, got working capital. All right, commercial real estate. Okay, SBA 504 loans, cool. Vehicle loans, available for both purchase and refinancing. So that's cool. Terms up to 84 months. Commercial fleet vehicles up to 80% financing. So that is awesome. Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry. All right. Credit cards for the business. I said like they got one credit card here. From what I can tell, credit lines up to 50%. No annual fee. Low variable rates. You can track your expenses online in the app with account reconciliation, set up multiple users, and create sub accounts. So that's good. All right, let's get to let's look at the auto loans. Okay, let's look at what they're doing on the auto side. So new autos, terms up to 84 months, less than 7,500 miles, what could be considered still a new vehicle. If it's under that, 4.79 APR. All right, same thing on this tab as well. Used vehicles can also go up to 84 months, less than 100,000 miles. On 5.44% APR. That's awesome. Looks like that is the same thing. And it also say vehicles up to 7 model years old. Okay. If you guys like to get on that motorbike, turns up to 84 months as well. Lowest 4.54%. And then used one is 5.39, turns up to 72 months. Less than 100,000 miles. So this one right here, guys, can be a real game changer for you all. If you cannot get into Navy Fed, excuse me, they do have the wealth management, insurance, life insurance. This is a full service credit union, IRAs, safety deposit box, Zelle, all that type of stuff. So this is a full service credit union with mortgages and home equity, certificates. This is a good credit union, guys. This is a good credit union. You can do all your banking here in this one institution. And that's what you want, really. You want to find one that's going to be your primary account. You would want to find one that has everything that you will need for each stage of your life. Okay. That way you can grow with the account. As I was saying with your kids, excuse me, if you get them a savings account now, by the time they get old enough to be able to start their own banking habits, let's see, they got a student checking account. So they got a student savings, they got a student checking as young as 12 years old. Okay, so you can get your kids started with good financial habits as well as yourself. And they can start as low as 12 years old in age. And you can already start teaching them good money habits, teaching them good credit habits, and then they can get the student credit card. So these accounts right here can grow with you each stage of your life. They got IRAs, investment accounts. So once you get to the age where you, or the time when you want to start investing, insurance, all this type of stuff, these credit union right here has you covered. I love this credit union. I do. I love this credit union. This is a good one. This is a gem. So I do appreciate you guys tuning in today. If you have any questions, excuse me, guys, I'm getting a little hoarse today. You can go to my website at starrknowscredit.com, starrknowscredit.com. Also, if you have not signed up for the Credit Ready program, that 6-week course is going to start September the 18th. Right now, it's still 35% off, and it will not be 35% off past September the 18th. That is the absolute last day of the sale. So you want to get in for the 6 weeks. It's going to last from September the 18th to the last week in October. And then I would do another 6-week round of course. We would start it all over again. Okay. So, but this would be the only time that y'all will be able to get this for 35%. This is the only time this year that this course will be that low. It will not have that discount again until 2024. All right. So you want to lock it in, get in right now. Also, you can, if you want to book a consultation with me, you can get access to my calendar at the Work With Me tab on my website at starrknowscredit.com. And you can also, if you want to just send me an email, you can also use the contact form on that. All right, guys, I really do appreciate. If you think this credit union is a good fit for you, don't forget to leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and also share this video with somebody else that might think that you might think that this is a good fit for their family as well. All right, guys, I really do appreciate you again. Peace, 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 peace.